Hello traders, in this video we are going to talk about the two best indicators that are suitable for the beginners. They are profitable, they are simple to use, and they does not require any kind of knowledge because the indicators itself are very simple. So before I start this video, please subscribe FX Mentor, and if you want to join the best broker, then the link is given in the description of this video. I personally use this indicator. So let's get started with the video. We will be using the two indicators in this strategy, and the first indicator is Lagori filter, and that is by Kiwan's Osbijalik. Okay, and you can see 2007-79 are into the favorites by the different traders, right? Okay, you can see that it's very simple. It's not complicated strategy. You can see green for buy and red for sell. And the second indicator that we will be using is the moving average exponential. Okay, so however, we need to make a little bit change into the moving average exponential settings. We are going to change it to 200, and into the style section I am giving a yellow color to the EMA, so our setup is completely ready. So this is the best setup the beginners can use for their trading. Okay, so the strategy itself, it's very simple. You can use any time frame, you can use any forex, crypto, or whatever the trading market you are dealing on trading view that sports. You can use this strategy on any time frame, any market conditions, right? Okay, so now just to have a look. So for the beginners, it is good to let them know that what is the role of the 200 EMA. The 200 EMA is always a good indicator to find the main trend of the market. Like you can see, all of the candles are above the 200 EMA. That's a clear message that on USD JPY, right? I'm on a 3-minute chart. It means that we are into the uptrend. So when you are into the uptrend, then where the beginner get a loss. So for example, here we have a sell signal, but you can see this sell signal didn't went very much down. But what happened? Instantly we have received a we have seen that the Heikin-Ashi candles, because I'm using the Heikin-Ashi candles, and when they turn into this green color or blue, whatever you see on the screen, so it means that the trend is getting reversed. So maybe it will turn from red to green again. So I'm talking about the first indicator that we attached. So maybe it has chances to turn again into the green color because it was the fake signal. So this is the thing that you need to focus. Whenever you are above the 200 EMA, go for the buy signals only. So for example, I'm going to take a long position. I'm going to set up this, that from here we have the buy entry, and we have set up the stop loss at the previous low. Then what we have targeted, if we look at here, we were easily able to catch 2.24 ratio, right? Okay, at the next we have again a buy signal on this candle. So what we will do, we will set up a stop loss to the previous low of the market, and then you can see we were able to catch again 2 level risk reward 2 ratio from the simple trade. So this is how you will be using this indicator. This indicator is very special. You can also use it on gold. So for example, you can see, okay, now this is very important. You can see that on gold we have a break above the 200 EMA. What does it mean? It means that the trend is get changed. So here before the EMA was green. So whenever you are trading from the moving average, just set up a stop loss below the moving average like this and target something like this. And if we measure this, that how much we were able to make on this trade, that is the 5.76 ratio on this trade. So these indicators are very powerful, and not a technical analysis are required, because it's very simple. Even if you look here, sell profitable, buy not this profitable, but below the 200 EMA we are not interested into the buy signals until unless the trend doesn't get changed from the second indicator. So guys, this strategy is very simple, powerful, and trust me, honest with you, that that's very good strategy. So please use it, and please join the best broker from the description of this video. Okay guys, so if you like this strategy, please press the like button, subscribe FX Mentor US, and please share your thoughts about this strategy into the comment section. Thank you very much for watching this video.